Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. I'm Van Houten, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to unlock the UwU Hub Title on the Hive. Now, before you watch this video, the chance that you're subscribed to my channel is very small because I'm a small channel. Now, if you watch the video and you really like the content that I make, please make sure to check out the rest of my channel and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it, and it does help up the channel a lot. Now, let's go on to the main source of this video, and that is how do you get the UwU Hub Title. So to get this, you're going to want to navigate over to a website. Now, that website will be linked in the description, but it is mcstore.io, and you're going to want to go to the anime teen costumes area. Now, once you go there, you're going to be directed to this page, and you're going to want to click the button that says open in Minecraft. Now, once that opens up in Minecraft, you're going to see the anime teen costumes by the Hive, and you're going to want to buy this to get the UwU Hub Title. So once you buy that, you're going to want to probably restart your Hive and then go over to your global locker, go down to Hub Title, scroll down, and you will unlock the UwU Hub Title. Now on top of this, you're also going to unlock two costumes and an avatar. So as you see, we have the anime boy and the anime girl costume, and the avatar that we get is the UwU avatar, and it looks like this. Now anyways, that's the end of the video. If you did enjoy watching, make sure to subscribe, like the video, turn on post notifications, and yeah, peace out.